Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. It's Babul here from the Bengali Cook. This week, guys, I've got another amazing recipe for you. It's been well overdue, so I'm going to do it now. It's going to be the chicken kebab recipe, guys. Very simple, but absolutely delicious. You can have it as a starter, as a snack. Once you've got it at home, guys, you just munch on it all day long, trust me. But hey guys, if you guys are new here, what I do here, guys, I show you how to make Indian restaurant style curries at home, as well as home style curries, kebabs, all of that sort of stuff at home, guys. So if you guys love this stuff, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, comment, share the channel with others. And along the way, guys, by making these recipes at home, you will be saving yourself tons of money. Everyone else, guys, thank you so much for your support. But having said that, guys, let's crack on. Chicken kebab. So what have I got here? I have got 1 kilo of chicken mince. Right, let's get that in there. So all we're going to do is just add all the spices and then give it a mix, and let that mixture marinate for at least 2 to 4 hours. I'm going to leave it overnight, so then that'll be absolutely fine. I've just noticed I'm out of gloves, so never mind, eh? So what we're going to do firstly, guys, we have got all the ingredients. What's it got? Ingredients, measurements, everything, all of that, guys, is going to be listed in the description box. So there's a section saying more. Press that button. We'll press that part where it says more. Another box will appear, and it will say, all the different stuff that you need. It's also going to have additional links on there that you may find beneficial. So go ahead and check them out. So what have we got here? First of all, I'm going to go ahead and add red onion. You want to do red onion with this one. The red onion is slightly sweeter, and with the kebabs and so forth, it works out to be a lot better. So I've got 2 onions in there. I'm going to use roughly about 1 small onion. Where is it gone? If I can show you. This size. If I move that across, get it back again, just so you know. Yeah, it's about 85. It's about, where's it gone? 85 grams of onion there. So 1 small onion, red onion, about 85 grams. So that's what I'm going to do first of all, is chuck that in there. So let's put it here. There we go, that's 1 in there. I'm going to save another one because I've got another recipe going on. And then I have got half of a red pepper. This was, again, about 80 grams. So that's going to go all in. Right, all that. Eggs covered with coriander and so forth, which is great. Right, I'm going to add a good handful of coriander. So this is a good bunch of coriander going in. So about a good tablespoon. And then I've also got some green chilli. Now add green chilli to your taste, guys. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon in there. Got this. There we go. All right. Leave that here. Now we're going to go in with our whole spices. Let me just give this a quick wash. Let's get this out of your way. Keep the egg here so I don't forget. One of the other things that you need, guys, is this. Oops, it gone. This is whole coriander seeds and black pepper seed crushed in. Coarsely, not just literally. You can still see the grains on it. Just literally use this just to bash it down, crush it in, and that's going to give you a really, really nice flavour. Okay, so what I'm going to start off with, I'm going to give a little spoon. I'm going to go with 1 tablespoon, of tomato puree. So this is my mixed powder. The jar. So this is my Indian restaurant style mixed powder. So 1, 2 teaspoons. Coriander powder. 1 teaspoon. Turmeric whole powder. 1/2 teaspoon. Now this is the chili powder, so I'm going to go with again. Let's go with another half, so that makes it a 1 teaspoon. Where's it gone? There it is. Kashmiri red chili. Again, 1. Chili flake, again, chili flakes can give that some heat, so add to your taste. I'm just going to go with again 1 teaspoon. And we have got Garam masala, so I'm going to go with this one. Garam masala is very powerful, guys, so don't overdo it. So I'm going to go with the half. We have got 1 kg of chicken mince, right? So now what I'm going to do is add some ajwain seed. Again, don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box. So 1 teaspoon gone in. So now let's put some ginger and garlic paste. 1 heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Right, we need salt. Just making sure I've not forgotten everything. Going to with 1 teaspoon of salt. So this was equal teaspoons of coriander and black pepper seeds gone in. That's a teaspoon. There we go, 2 teaspoons going in. With that, when you bite into it, it's going to give it a nice crunch. So first things first, we're going to get this mixed in. I'm going to use my hands. Oops, and I forgot. I've got a tablespoon of lemon juice here as well, guys. There we go. Well, pretty sure that's everything in there. Give it a quick check. Spot on. So all right, I'm going to give it a mix. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of oil, probably about a tablespoon, and I'm going to mix that in as well. Right guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this marinate. I'm just going to leave it as it is now, and tomorrow when I'm ready to cook this one, what I'm going to right, and here we are guys, day 2 of making our chicken kebab. So this has been marinated overnight and I've got it ready. So I'm just going to literally make it into some circular shape and then shallow fry it. So I've actually run out of eggs. I'm not going to use egg. I'm just going to use, where's it gone? The corn flour, and just give this a quick mix. And again, I was going to use the egg just to the binding, but to be fair, it's looking good. So what we're going to do now, guys, give it a quick mix. We've got 1 tablespoon of corn flour in here now. So that is looking good. guys, we're just going to put the heater on the pan. Again, with this one, I'm going to go for a circular shape, but you can obviously make any shape you want to with it. Check it out. Look at that, looks lovely, doesn't it? So if you want to make it into like a shish kebab shape, you can. Into round balls, you can do like kuftas and that sort of stuff. Entirely your call. I've got some little bit of oil in here. I'm just going to use on my hand just to, before I get the shape, so it doesn't stick on my hand when I'm making the kebab shape. It's right, so I'm going to put in the temperature low to medium, but adjust it based on your preference on the heat. So obviously we just want to cook it. So a little bit of oil on my palm, and then what we're going to do now, guys, is grab a bit, little ball, and just flatten it. So okay, there we go. Into circular shapes. Again, go for the size that you want. About 5 minutes or so. And again, because it's hot, we'll just continue to cook while we take it off heat anyway. There you go, guys. So this is what we're going for. Some cooking. Chicken kebab. Chicken kebab. Freshly made. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that.